So what is rapid referral and how does it work? Rapid referral is a tool that you can use to greatly accelerate the growth and development of your own distribution network business. If you're not familiar with that business model, you can learn more about it in the FAQ tab. So how does rapid referral work? Rapid referral starts with clicking on your Refer Your Friends tab. Your Facebook friends will be displayed, and you have the option to select one or more of your Facebook friends. You can add an optional comment and click Invite. They'll receive the notification on their Facebook page, and you'll receive a display of your Facebook friends that you've just invited. Now there's three things that can occur. One, you'll see nothing next to their name. That means that they haven't yet accepted the application. If this is the case, you might want to follow up with them, maybe message them on Facebook. Another thing that you can see is a green check mark next to their name. This means that they've accepted the application. The third thing that you can see, and ultimately what you'd like to see, is a blue arrow as well as a number next to their name. What this means is that your Facebook friend has not only accepted the application from you, but they've understood the basic concept and have moved on to referring their own friends. So what does this mean? What does it mean when you have an LOR, or lines of referralship, developing? Does it mean that this in and of itself creates an income for you? No, not quite. But what it does do is it accelerates the invite process and displays the logistics of that invite process so that there's a clear vested interest for individuals to then move on and formalize their business with the registration process. In other words, if Brett has decided that he would like to register and start his business, it certainly makes sense that Audrey would then clearly want to register as well so that Brett can be in her business. It's the ability to invite Brett and see Brett displayed in her LOR that makes this possible. This is a very small example. Imagine if Brett has gone on to refer dozens of his friends. Imagine if those friends have invited dozens of their friends. I think you see the concept. So what's next? Again, understanding the business model and income is very simple. It's very clear. So the next thing you'd like to do is probably move on to refer your friends. There's another reason that you might want to move on to do this. Certainly you have a lot to gain by referring your friends and building a distribution network, but there's also some things that you could lose if you don't do that. And what we mean by that is rapid referral is designed so that Facebook users can only be invited once. This is good because it keeps people from being bothered or bugged by multiple invites. So once someone hasn't been invited, their name becomes grayed out and they can no longer be invited by anyone else. What this means, of course, is that if you don't invite your Facebook friend, it's very likely that someone else will. And once someone else has invited them, you've lost the opportunity to have your Facebook friend in your LOR. So there's a lot to gain, a bit to lose, and although no one can promise you results, we hope that you enjoy using the rapid referral application and move on to building a successful and profitable business.